Hi, good morning all. I'm Hemendra Premadana. You all might have watched many of my videos because I have my own YouTube channel, Biz My Market, and also I posted some in my FB and some in this LinkedIn forum as well. Yeah, so today I'm just going to discuss something with you. It's not that I'm going to lecture you. It's something to discuss. Maybe there'll be thousands and thousands of marketing specialists, gurus, and genius people watching this. I'm just telling you, this is something that came into my mind, and also, and as per my religion, also that I believe it might work out. Because in marketing jargons, in marketing theories, in marketing formulas, 1,001 things are available, starting from so many writers. I don't want to mention names, gurus. This is something that I would say to add some other blend, some other essence to what we do. Normally, in a company, in a private organization, or any other government organization, or wherever, when you are working with a staff, some colleagues, some subordinates, you have some kind of qualities, some kind of ways of handling them, communicating with them, rewarding them, whatever. So now, me being as a sales and marketing professional for the past 36 years, I would like to take sales and marketing company as an example. I have seen there are so many companies. Some companies, if you compare the products that they sell, we'll say the company A sells product A and the company B sells product B. Maybe the company B, the product that they sell, is sold more than the company A's products. Sometimes, maybe the superiority, and also the nutritional value, or whatever the after sale satisfaction, the buyer's choice, buyer's satisfaction, what they get at the end of using of this product is more at B, at the B company B product, whereas A company A product is more superior, more vitamins or more features or more value added features, but still the other company sells more. So I was thinking what this would be, because if you are selling a superior product to the other comparatively, then definitely that thing should be sold, right? So I came into a conclusion that for any product or any service or anything in this world, you need to blend love, Love. Love. You might laugh at me, but I will explain you how. Now, in those both A and B companies, both, they have employees. Both the companies pay salaries. Both the companies give paid leave, or maybe medical leave, or whatever. So many perks and so many things for them to enjoy. But when you compare these two, the company B, the employees are very happy. Why? Because they are being treated with love. Whatever they are given, we'll say the salaries or any other benefit, if you call it a piece of cake, butter cake, they do some icing part of love on that. Let me explain you further. Maybe there are employees who does the best, but still he has some problems at home, some monetary problems, some family member problems, or some health issues. So they come to work for the sake of coming, because they need to have a salary, they need to live. This happened in both the companies. But in company B, their bosses or the masters or the leaders or the supervisors, they handle those employees with love. When an employee goes and asks for a short leave, they will never hesitate They know, because they have been treating these employees in a better way. They will not just take leave because there should be some very important occasion for him to go leave. So he says, right, okay, you can go and leave. I know, I have the confidence that you will come tomorrow and finish this off, or you will work extra 1 hour to cover up. So the employee is happy. He knows this, my company cares for me, so I should give more, because that is not an employer only. He's my father, he's my friend, he's my brother. So likewise, they spread love. Whatever they give, they apply the love icing. They garnish their perks with love. I think this might work out, because now when you look at people, so many people, they are in so much of stress, so much of insecurity, so much of problems, issues. So I know, if you treat with this godly essence, the love might do wonders. How does it work? If you are in the sales card, the salesman knows, if I push more, my company will give me more, and my company will survive further. I need this company to survive. The retention of this company is so important to me, so I should do whatever, going out of the box, and I should help my company. Doesn't it work? Definitely it will work. So far in the history, up to now, 2021, in the month of July, no one has taught you, no one has told that every marketing aspect should be iced with a layer of love. So try this out. This could be the Hemend's theory, but that will work out. Because, just for an example, take an animal. Just call it, maybe it's a dog. Just do like this, it will come. Just do like this, it will run. So even a animal with less thinking ability understands. And if you want to tell something to somebody, you say, hey John, come and do this. John might think twice. If you say, hi John, how are you doing? Can you please do this for me? Would you do this for me? Which one is more appealable? Which one is more appealing, that you decide. So whatever you do to your employees, or to your products, or to your friends, or to your families, apply love. If you take all the gods, all the religious leaders, including Lord Buddha, Lord Jesus, Ganesh, God Khatragama, Allah, the Almighty Allah, they all have taught, they all have preached about love, nothing but love. This is the time that we should implement and take the best results, because now we are in a very bad era, pandemic. The corona is killing people all over the world. It's been spreaded. We started with one, now we have ended up with another variety, like Delta, Alpha, or whatever. So it is love. Love means caring, care for you, care for your friends, care for your family, care for your employees. Definitely this will work out. Definitely I know this might work out. This is the essence for this era. Dear marketing gurus, the bosses, the leaders and all, I'm telling you all, please write this down. This is the era for love. Blend everything, blend every action, mix everything, blend with love, and try to implement. Definitely we can see a better world. We can see a better, productive people in your company, better growth. So try this out. If you want, you can call me, you can challenge me. I'm Hemendra Premadan from Sri Lanka. My number and my email ID I'm just including in this video. Kindly add love. This is the era of love. Thank you very much for watching. All the best to you. Love you, love everybody else. Thank you so much.